Now we'll learn about creating table. So when you need a table in AutoCAD, then how we'll do that? Simply just go here for table or write T A B. Okay, ALE table, then enter, and here you will see many options. First of all, a style. There are one style available. You can edit it by clicking here. So you can add new, or you can use that on. And if you need to modify, you can go here. Actually, they have nothing here to modify actually. So I'll close that. I'll close it. Now, first of all, you have to provide here number of column. How much number of column you need? Okay, suppose you need total 3 column, and column width. What will be the column width? So I'll consider our column width will be 12 inch. Then enter. Then data row. So what will be the row of data? They have a important thing. Our first row cell. Our first row cell. What will be the first row cell? Title or anything. So if you need a title box, you can take it here. Otherwise, provide here. Suppose data. If you provide data, that will convert to data table, data row. Also, in second row, if you need any header, then you can add header. Otherwise, you can go for data. Suppose you need all table as a data, no header or anything required. Then you can put it data. Then you will get 3 columns and 5 data row only. But if you in first row, if you provide suppose title, then you will get total 6 row and 3 column, because one row will be work as a title and another 5 row will work as a data row. Is it clear? And also, if you want to take your second one as a header or anything of that data row, this is the suppose total title, then header, then you will get total number of 7 row, because one is title, another is header data, and another 5 is data row for your data. And here row unit, row height. So what will be the row height? Suppose I want to take row height as a 2 line. When everything is okay, simply click OK and click here. Done. And click anywhere. You'll see, if we go here, you will see here a table is available with a title, So when everything is okay, simply double click and start writing. You can write here by using that text system. So here for annotation, it's showing you 0.3. If we go for another style or another thing, then also will get the height in 0.3 inch, because here this height is available height is 0.3 inch. I'll click here, skip. If we go here and if we double click here, if we click here anywhere of our line, when it will be selected, and if we double click anywhere, then we'll be able to write. Again, if we click here and if we double click anywhere, then we'll be able to start writing. Now if we go heading, you'll get a value of 0.3 inch. Now I'll close it. Again, I'll go here format, then table style, and I'll go modify. In modify, if I just click here, create a new cell style, you can create new cell style here. Merge cell, you can merge cell, or if you need to create a new data, then you can do it. I'll cancel it. For data, this is for header and this is for title. So all is available here, and from where our text will start writing, middle center, then fill color is available, then level, what will be the type, level or data, then format general. If you go to general format, then you will see our data type. What will be data type? Suppose general text or anything. So angle, accuracy, what will be actually? So I'll take it as a suppose general, then okay, then set current, then close. And here all style, you can change the style or anything, so close. So this is the way to do it. Again, by coming here, you can also change your data or edit your data, and data format also you'll get it here. Formula, if you need any formula, you will get it here. Then cell locking, if you want to lock any cell, you can do it here. So in this way, we are able to complete our work. Again, if I just go here on table, if we here on table, then it's okay. Now I'll click here and I'll double click here. Suppose title, and here suppose A types. Suppose this one will be B types, and this one will be C types. C types. Okay, and now I will give here A types, A, B, C, then D and E. In this way, you can provide value here. And now I will click here and I'll move that table to here because I need only that portion of our table. No need more space. Again, I will click here and come here. So here you can see Control C, Control V, select and Control V. Okay, so here a table and it's a little bit small. So what I'll do, I'll select, then I'll click SC. I'll click SC here and I'll click anywhere, and then I will provide suppose scale factor 10. Now it's almost okay. Also, if you click here, then SC, then click anywhere as a base point, and if we again provide a scale factor 10, I hope this time it will be okay for table. And also, if you come here, if you here, then you can delete it or come by pressing Ctrl Z. Okay, here is a type table. Actually, that ABC and that part will not be visible when, because we didn't want that part. And also, if you double click here and if you want to change this text size from here, you can also change it. I hope it's clear to you, and also you can bold it, you can underline it here. For that, on double click, and by selecting you can bold it. Same for that one, you can bold it. So this is the way to creating any types of title, table or anything in AutoCAD. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next lecture.